9:24. Let's go. Abi ko drop ka na ne? School chi? Abi anak ko? Okay. Let's go. Oh, where's your bag? Where's your bag, hon? This is your bag. This one is whose tiffin? Anna's tiffin. Ja, inok ne? Masyang awa mo. Kniradjok. Wow. Very nice. There's another one up there. Sandal. Nice sandal. Slipper. Yeah. It's so hot inside. It's better to on the AC. Bye. Where are you? Bye.
Bye.
She's gone, hon. She's gone. But anyway, she wish you goodbye. Mau baba? Nak ni rajok, Nina? Wow, trim kajok na ni hair mo kan mo? Trim kajok pa mo? Daling mata di mo?
Up and down.
Letting up. Oh, rama ba? They have installed so many street lights, solar street lights. Solar lights, street lights. Oh, wow. So we're back from school. Veranda is full of clothes because it is raining heavily. See. Look at this. Bye bye. Hi, Baba. Let's go. Oh, we are only two of us home. Lie down here. Sleep, Papa, sleep. He loves poking this. See? He loves poking this. Keep on poking.
Mommy. Mommy. Abi ni. Mommy. Papa ni.
It's already 3 p.m. now. It's time to pick up Anna from school. Gavi have slept daytime and he's awake, and so he's following me everywhere I go. Jil ko ba aywa? So Gavi wants to show the tractor. He's telling me to take a video of the tractor. He likes tractor. Aywa ba, two of them. Wow. Oh. a lucky day for you, Papa. You can see two of them. See? Tractor. Your favorite. Yes. Wow, tractor. It's recording or not? Yes. After school, Emma is fast asleep. She's tired. After school, this girl shouldn't sleep. That's their favorite. Ayah, Papa. Ayah, Papa. Ya, 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 ya.